The Tesla Roadster is a battery electric vehicle sports car based on the Lotus Elise chassis that was produced by the electric car firm Tesla Motors. In California from 2008 to 2012, the Roadster was the first highway legal serial production all-electric car to use lithium-ion battery cells and the first production all-electric car to travel more than 320 kilometers per charge. It is also the first production car to be launched into deep space, carried by a Falcon Heavy rocket in a test flight on February 6, 2018. Tesla sold about 2,450 Roadsters in over 30 countries, and most of the last Roadsters were sold in Europe and Asia during the fourth quarter of 2012. Tesla produced right-hand drive Roadsters from early 2010. The Roadster qualified for government incentives in several nations. According to the U.S. EPA, the Roadster can travel 393 kilometers on a single charge of its lithium-ion battery pack and can accelerate from 0 to 97 kilometers per hour in 3.7 or 3.9 seconds depending on the model. It has a top speed of 201 kilometers per hour. The Roadster's efficiency, as of September 2008, was reported as 120 mpge. It uses 135 Wh/km battery to wheel and has an efficiency of 88% on average. Motor: the Roadster is powered by a three-phase, four-pole induction electric motor with a maximum output power of 185 kW. Its maximum torque of 200 pounds is immediately available and remains constant from 0 to 6 revolutions per minute. Nearly instantaneous torque is a characteristic of electric motors and offers one of the biggest performance differences from internal combustion engines. The motor is air-cooled and does not need a liquid cooling system. The sport model introduced during the Jan 2009 Detroit Auto Show includes a motor with a higher density hand wound stator that produces a maximum of 288 horsepower. Both motors are designed for rotational speeds of up to 14,000 revolutions per minute, and the regular motor delivers a typical efficiency of 88% or 90%. 80% at peak power. It weighs less than 70 pounds. Transmission: starting in September 2008, Tesla selected Borg-Warner to manufacture gearboxes and began equipping all Roadsters with a single-speed, fixed-gear gearbox with an electrically actuated parking pole mechanism and a mechanical lubrication pump. The company previously worked with several companies, including X-Track and Magna International, to find the right automatic transmission, but a two-gear solution proved to be too challenging. This led to substantial delays in production. At the town hall meeting with owners in December 2007, Tesla announced plans to ship the initial 2008 Roadsters with their interim Magna 2-speed direct shift manual transmissions locked into second gear, limiting the performance of the car to less than what was originally stated. Tesla also announced it would upgrade those transmissions under warranty when the final transmission became available. At the town hall meeting with owners on January 30, 2008, Tesla Motors described the planned transmission upgrade as a single-speed gearbox with a drive ratio of 8:27 to 1 combined with improved electronics and motor cooling that retain the acceleration from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 4 seconds and an improved motor limit of 14 revolutions per minute to retain the 201 kilometers per hour top speed. The upgraded system also improved the maximum torque from 270 to 380 Nm and improves the Roadster's quarter-mile times. Gear selector: in the interior, the gear selector is similar to a push-button automatic with buttons labeled P, R, N, and D, while some earlier models have a gear lever similar to that in cars with manual transmission. Performance: the Roadster's 0 to 97 kilometers per hour acceleration time is 3.9 seconds for the standard model and 3.7 seconds for the 2010 V25 Sport, which Motor Trend confirmed in the first independent, instrumented testing of the V25 Sport model. The magazine also recorded a 0 to 1/4 mile time of 12.6 seconds at 165.1 kilometers per hour. Tesla said the top speed is electronically limited to 201 kilometers per hour. Tesla claims it has a weight of 305 kilograms, a drag coefficient of CD equals 0.35, 0.36, and a rolling resistance of CRR equals 0.011. Tesla began delivering the higher performance version of the Roadster in July 2009. The Roadster Sport has adjustable dampers and a new hand wound motor, capable of 0 to 97 kilometers per hour in 3.7 seconds. Scotty Polashek, a high-performance driver for Kilocycle, drove a 2010 Tesla Roadster Sport at the Wayland Invitational Drag Race in Portland, Oregon, In July 2009, he did a quarter mile in dry conditions in 12.643 seconds, setting a new record in the National Electric Drag Racing Association among the SP divided by A3 class of vehicles. The EPA combined range measured in February 2008 for early production roadsters was 372 kilometers city, 360 kilometers highway, and 365 kilometers combined. In August 2008, additional testing with the newer powertrain 1.5 resulted in an EPA combined range of 393 kilometers. The vehicle set a new distance record when it completed the 388-kilometer Rally Monte Carlo d'Energies Alternatives with 58 kilometers left on the charge. A roadster drove around the world in 2012 and repeated it in 80 days with other electric cars in 2016. Simon Hackett and Emily Sprogauskas broke the distance record for an electric vehicle, driving 501 kilometers from Alice Springs to Marla, South Australia, in Simon's Tesla Roadster. The car had about 4.8 kilometers of range left when the drive was completed.